Ever wonder where your favorite songs, contacts, or shopping cart items are stored? They all live in something called a database. Think of a database as a super organized digital filing cabinet, designed to store and organize huge amounts of information so it's easy to find and update. Instead of a messy pile, a database arranges data into neat structured containers, making it fast and efficient for computers to retrieve exactly what you need. At its core, a database is simply a structured collection of data with rules and logic that keep everything organized. This structure lets apps show your photos instantly, recommend movies, or keep your digital life running smoothly. The magic of a database comes down to four main actions: create, read, update, and delete, known as CRUD. Create, read, update, delete. Every time you interact with an app, you're using a database behind the scenes. Let's see how databases power your favorite apps. On social media, your profile, posts, and followers are all stored as records in a massive database. When you open the app, it instantly fetches your info and the latest posts from accounts you follow, thanks to the database. Music apps like Spotify use databases to store millions of songs and playlists, and even generate personalized recommendations based on your listening habits. Weather apps rely on databases to deliver up-to-date forecasts for your location in seconds. From online shopping to booking flights, databases are the silent engines behind almost every digital experience. They connect your actions to the right information, instantly. Without databases, none of these apps would work as smoothly, or at all. Databases are the backbone of the digital world. Imagine Amazon without a database. No way to track products, orders, or your info. Hospitals rely on databases to store patient records, making sure doctors have instant access to life-saving information. Banks use databases to track every transaction, update balances, and keep your money secure. Factories and shipping companies depend on databases to manage inventory and track packages in real time. From healthcare to finance to logistics, databases keep our world running safely and efficiently. They're the unsung heroes of modern life. There are different types of databases for different needs. The most common is the relational database, which organizes data into tables, like a spreadsheet, with rows and columns. Tables can be linked, making it easy to connect related information, like customers and their orders. SQL, or structured query language, is the main way to talk to these databases. As data grew more complex, NoSQL databases emerged. They're flexible, handling everything from social media posts to sensor data. NoSQL databases can store data as key value pairs or documents, often using formats like JSON. For example, a user's entire profile, name, interests, followers, can be stored in a single document. Cloud databases let companies run their databases on powerful servers from providers like Amazon or Google, making it easy to scale up as needed. Both relational and NoSQL databases can live in the cloud. This flexibility powers everything from small startups to global giants. So, how do we get information in and out of a database? Developers use special languages, like SQL for relational databases, to ask for exactly what they need. For example, to find a user's email, a developer might write, select email from users where username =, Emily_wonders. SQL commands like select, insert, update, and delete handle the main actions. NoSQL databases use different methods, often involving code in languages like Python or JavaScript to build queries. The goal is the same: find, add, or change data quickly and accurately. Mastering these basics is key for anyone working with data. It's how apps stay fast and responsive. Storing and retrieving data has a long history. Early systems used punch cards and filing cabinets, slow and rigid. In the 1960s, digital databases appeared, but they were complex and inflexible. The big breakthrough came in 1970 with the relational model, organizing data into tables, leading to SQL and modern databases. The internet's growth brought NoSQL databases and cloud technology, making it possible to handle massive, messy data for billions of users. Today, databases are everywhere, evolving to meet new challenges. They're the foundation of our digital world.